Hello and welcome back to Life Blowout Prevention Project. Today I want to talk to you about something that I've been thinking about for the last few days. I'm going through a very intense period in my life. Lots is happening. There's a lot of changes that are undergoing. I'm starting businesses. I work full-time. My relationships are changing. My son's moved to college. There's a lot of stuff going on. And I notice that I often, when I talk to friends and they ask me how I'm doing, I would say, I'm really tired and I'm overwhelmed and I'm frustrated. And I notice that as these words escape my mouth, I feel more tired, more overwhelmed, and more frustrated. And I thought about it for a long time that language and words are hypnotic. They change, they create a shift in our biochemistry. When I say, this is horrible, this is hard, it becomes horrible, it becomes hard, because there is an associated chemistry, biochemistry that gets produced in a response to that language. And the reverse is also true. When I say I am happy, I had success, something good happened, I notice that my chemistry shifts, my mood shifts, it responds to it. So why is it that it's so much easier to share with our family, with friends, with colleagues, all the stuff that's wrong? And so rarely will we walk away, will I walk into a meeting with friends and they're all sitting around and say, how are you doing? I am amazing, I'm great, I'm awesome. Somehow that's not as socially accepted as I'm overwhelmed, I'm tired, life's hard. So my invitation for you is to begin to notice the habitual language that's coming out of your mouth and how it affects you on a regular basis. And perhaps redesign it. Whenever you feel frustrated, just soften it a little bit. Use a different language. Say, instead of I am livid, I'm a little annoyed. Instead of this is hard, I don't know how to do that quite yet. It is often that we feel these negative things, these difficult things, but then we use the language that even amps it up, and it's even so much harder and so much more challenging. So my invitation for you is to notice your language and change it, and have people close to you hold you accountable. Tell them what you're trying to do. Pick maybe 1 or 2 or 3 of your go-to negative, heavy, difficult expressions that you tend to overemphasize. Decide what you're going to say instead and ask people around you to hold you accountable and to help you make this shift. And then observe what happens to your habitual emotional state when there are different words that are coming out of your mouth. So I hope this is helpful. Share, subscribe, and join me for the next episode of Life Blowout Prevention Project. Until next time.